Yeah, that's so weird. What's up, guys? Sorry, man. I thought I literally had the disclaimer running. We had everything going. I had some tunes pumping here for my boys for CPI. And then to be told by Chris, for some reason we weren't live. Shown on my side, but wasn't live for you guys yet. That is, I don't know what happened there. Very, very weird. But basically, guys, we had a big moment there. Again, we've got some more time now to basically chill out. I just want to say a big shout out to my project guys. Absolutely smacking it out the park. The guys are killing their funded accounts. Literally, I told you we were going to be passing these accounts left, right, and center. And again, the guys trusting, the guys having faith, sticking to the rules, doing the homework, and then taking the CPI sales with us today. Very, very proud of all you guys. So audio is super soft. Really, like this thing sounds very, very loud in my ears. We're gonna just check it out over here quickly. Yeah, I don't know why. We'll see. Can I make it a little bit louder there? Nope. Mint on my side. Yeah, that's very, very weird. I don't know why. We'll see what we can do to make it a bit better maybe. But it's showing quite loud, yeah. Sound is good. Okay, perfect. But again, just want to give a big shout out to our project guys, the ones that have faith, the ones that showed up. If you guys were here in the morning, you also saw the analysis. We gave lots and lots of hints to you guys, other than just on you buy or sell. But Forex Machine, CPI getting phase 1 pass, CPI killed. Thanks for Keith for the gold nuggets. King for president, Amandla. Very, very well done, guys. So big shout out to our guys. Where's Jev? He is on his way. He's just finishing up something. But guys, in basically some fashion, purely because of CPI, I hope you guys, we want to get the vibes up, we're going to get the volume up. I hope you guys are ready for this one. We've done it now, CPI how many times? We've done it about 3 times. It wasn't a one-time thing. It wasn't luck. Chris and myself spoke about this. We shared the analysis with you. Again, you guys just have to rock up. You guys just have to pay attention, and you guys get it. So in honor of the CPI and the guys absolutely smashing their funded accounts out the park, this is just the reminder, guys, that this is the time you're going to be leveling up. This is the time you're going to be taking over. And in the famous words of Drizzy, this shit is non-stop.
What are we listening to? It sounds like I'm in a stadium. Oh, dang.
Oh.
Hey, baby.
We can be doing this stuff all the time, guys. CPI, NFP. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys are killing it with these trades. Keys, Gold King.
Geek said he's sponsoring the stream. That $8 we're losing.
Oh. But you guys, we had to just give a little, just an appreciation for all of our project guys and the guys that killed CPI with us.
Audio is super soft.
This is better than the Wall Street office. Let's go. 100%. Yo, someone said it's soft and the other guys are saying it's good. So yeah, I don't know what's going on there. It's showing quite like normal on my side. Like we're in the yellow like we normally are.
Chad, how's the audio? Should be good though. Testing 1 2 1 2.
But let's just. Ooh, Chris is mute. I think your
Oh
side.
shit! Sorry,
I'm getting
my mute. Yeah, you're getting some feedback there. Okay, should be good.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Let me just put this watermark on. But I mean, Chris, before we get in, we always do a very quick analysis in New York session. Tell me, we gave this, guys. We gave it to them on a plate.
Yeah, we chatted. So Chad, go and rewatch the stream this morning. The levels were actually laid out 2030 and 2017. Buys above 2030, never got closures above. Sells below 2017. Keeps going a 5-minute draw a line there at 2017 30. So And then also we gave you guys the thing about there's only one scenario where the dollar weakens. There was only one, and that one scenario was that CPI came out way softer. We said as expected reading, higher than expected reading, bullish dollar. So it was all laid out. At no stage did we say like, hey, we bearish on the dollar.
Yeah, so guys, keep in mind, we basically gave it to you. The DXY analysis, if you guys were there with dollar, we spoke about dollar having basically that pump to the downside just to fake everyone out. And you can see already started to hold that S1 and then just the shoot to the top side. We spoke to you guys also with gold trading back above, and we said basically going to get to this zone when we started breaking. Yeah, very similar to hold between this breaking flip zone and the pivot, and again, not only the break over there, but again, we told you we want to come back down for Asia highs, Asia lows untested, and after that, what have we been saying the whole week? 2,000 on the table, and we currently we were at 2002, 2001 even. No, we even hit 2,000. We did there, 2,000.2. So literally, guys, we gave it to you guys on a platter today. Again, if you guys did take the CPI, guys, post it. You can send some W's in the chat. You can post on Insta, tag us, we'll share for you guys. We want the community to grow. We want you guys to be sharing it and really enjoying it with us. We want to be having these profits with you guys. So I really, really hope some of you guys benefited from the analysis this morning, or if you were someone who was in the project and got the whole rundown before news. But beautiful, beautiful stuff from the group. Jev, how you doing, my brother?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm always good, bro.
So actually, I felt bad for what I did, but then also I became aware of my mistake, and it made me like think about myself, and it's like, it's not that bad. So like I told you, I didn't get anything this week, so I had like this massive, I told Mo this morning, like, I'm not getting anything. The market is like, everything is choppy. I didn't have anything, so I had FOMO, and now that happened, and it was like such a big reminder to myself, because obviously I know how to trade, I make money, but why the fuck would I make this mistake, you know?
Yeah.
So remind once again, don't let FOMO and things like that happen to you. I mean, like myself, I machine gun, quote unquote machine gun, and now 2 days with nothing. It's, yeah.
No, it is, bro. It hits you. I mean, I said to the guys last time, just again, I know we keep talking about this, guys. I promise not to give you guys FOMO, but the project guys, I was saying to Chris now, I'm 6.5% up on the account, and I've only had 3 trading days. I've even had my minimum 5 trading days, just because the account was started last week. I've only taken 3 trades, but I'm 6.5% up. Choose your fights, choose your battles, choose your trades. And again, it gets to the point. I remember someone asking us on stream I think it was on Friday, like, Keegan, why do you want to trade so bad? And I'm like, bro, because for someone that I haven't traded in like 3 days. Like, I want to take a trade. So again, just be clever with it, guys, and also don't get greedy. This trade I was actually saying to Chris as well, where I closed out. If I literally left it to run, my TP was 2006, the daily key level. If I let it run there, it would have obviously hit TP comfortably. I would have even passed phase 1 on that account now already. But that wasn't the plan. It's not there. And at the end of the day, I'm very, very happy with the trades at the moment. Showing the guys perfectly how it's done with the discipline, with all these things, and not like these fake gurus on Instagram teaching you some shit. We're showing you what it is to be a trader and how to get there. But all right, guys, a bullish result for the dollar. So basically for the rest of the session, anything dollar, you want to be going bullish. If you're against the dollar, you want to be going bearish, and that is a non-negotiable for today. Literally from tomorrow, you can reanalyze, bring your technicals in. But for today, all your technicals are doing is giving you an entry point. But you better be going either with the dollar or against it, depending on the pair. King Shaq, Keegs, trade CPI. Yeah, we did with our group, brother, with the project and VIP guys. So yeah, we did. But going over to DXY, we are now at the R3. If anything, guys, I could see DXY maybe even pulling back till the daily key level and holding that and continuing bullish. This thing's got a lot of ground. It's going to start making up now. NAS, the big sell off. Again, I don't see you're going to get a move today. Purely being why I talk about this now is if you come here on the 15, not even, I think the 5, it actually looks a bit better for you guys to see it. You can see basically what we've been doing lately is basically ranging the whole time. So trade, breakaway, range, breakaway, breakaway, and then
Quick question.
range. Yeah.
Does whenever you use this piece, does the screen also go black sometimes?
Every now and again, yeah. Every now and again.
You know
yeah.
why?
Uh-uh.
Oh damn.
Don, you see, I just want to get into the VIP group. That was the project, guys. So for now, you missed out, but we are debating on it. Maybe in the future we'll do things like that again. But the VIP group was the guys for the project, basically the project 5130. And that's the thing, guys. We wanted people that were serious. A lot of people have been messaging us now. How do you get into the VIP group? How much does it cost? It's literally free for the guys, but it was the guys that rocked up beforehand trying to make the decision, not afterwards when they see the results. So yeah, we'll talk about that. Maybe in the future we'll do something like it again. Funny to analysis in the opinion so far for Feb. Yeah, bro, it kind of was a no-brainer. If you know anything on my fundamentals, today was a no-brainer. I actually said to Mo, my analysis for it, like very simple. I said was you have to understand the only way you are buying gold today is if the Feds and Powell basically shocked the world and brought rate cuts in today. That was the only incident you were buying gold today. And no one would have predicted that. No one. Unless you are in the Feds. So no one would have got that right. And there was no way in hell, because if you look at reasons, if you look at country, if you look at the labor markets, there's no need for them to bring cut rates in, start cutting the rates yet. So he is, like we said, he's got all the power to play it off and play it off and play it off. If you even look at the pound, with the pound news coming out today, their rate cuts have even been pushed all the way to December. That's only, and how things are looking now, they're only expecting December. So again, what things happen with the dollar, we were all thinking March, that got cut. Then it was June. With what happened today and this whole week, this whole month, NFP, everything, that's all gone. It's off the table. I can tell you June's not even on the table anymore. And that's just purely because of what's happening at the moment. They don't need it. So, yeah, that was the only way you were getting the buys today. And obviously that has not happened. So, just let's get into it, guys. If we start looking at today, dollar obviously going to continue. On the day, we are basically at that S1. I did say to you guys, 2,000 was the target for today. And then since last week, I said to you guys, Feb, this is the time we are going all the way back to 1970. Again, people laugh, people say, Keegan, I don't know what you are smoking, but there you are having it play out in front of you. So again, I'm just going to see what happens here. Obviously, I've already had a great trade today, so I will not try and force anything. But if you know what, we can get something, we will look for it. Maybe I'll take them on my other accounts. We'll see what happens. But I am bearish, and again, like I said, I will not go anything bullish against the pairs. So for example, NAS and USD, I'm bearish. Very simple. I think for NAS, I will look at maybe we can get a pullback. Reason being, when markets open, dollar gets a little bit of that pullback to that key level we were talking about. That will give NAS the pullback to the weekly supply. Use the supply as resistance and basically trade bearish off of that. US30, almost the same thing. We are now at the S2, so I personally would just look for an entry at the weekly pivot, reject, and trade down. Very simple analysis for today. It's going to be quite different with obviously what happened here today. CPI making the moves, but that is what I'm looking for on the day. Jev.
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Your thing is a bit chalked, Joe. I just need to restart the call with you.
Okay.
Because I can't see it. So I'm just going to end it. Just like finish it on your side, close it.
Okay.
I'll give you another one.
Here we go.
Okay, just make sure to mute it and then screen share.
So from my side, guys.
Just hold on, sorry, bro. I just want to make sure it's showing.
All good, all good. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take anything today either.
There we go. Wait. Hold on. Why is it not? Wait. What's going on here? Why can't I see your screen? Yeah, so guys, we're trying to see if I can get Jev's screen on here. Yeah, it doesn't look like I can. I don't know what's going on here.
It's like the market makers is like, nah, do Jeff a lesson this week.
What the hell's going on? Why can't I? It's not even giving me the option to refresh your screen share like normally.
Should I maybe close Discord and open it again?
It is on my profile, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me disconnected.
Yeah, sorry, I'm really just trying to figure out what the hell's going on there.
Open it again. Okay. Try calling me again. Working now?
Nope. I really don't know what's going on.
That's very odd.
I can see your screen, yeah. Like I can see it, but I just can't screen share it. We're just gonna wait. We've got 4 minutes. Just hold on, Chad. We're gonna see if we can just fix this quickly.
Jigs, let's just say. So I'll tell everyone what happened. So very cool. I have a podcast coming up next Friday on obviously 2Gs and Co. My first guest. Not gonna spoil it just yet, but the guy I had a conversation with. So when I first started trading, they offered classes. I couldn't afford the classes back then, and obviously that's when I started going through my journey of being scammed and so forth. And then eventually I became profitable, and I always saw this guy's car up and down, and I finally connected with him. And then this weekend, like just like being in his presence was like such a moment of, well, like, bro, I just look up to you, and you know, now I want you to work side by side with me. So last week I was going through a very, I wouldn't say a bad space, just my mindset, some personal things. And then I spoke to this guy, and like I was reminded once again. So a good example of this I can make is when I met Hemelbeesem, there's a certain feeling I had, and my life took off after that as well. That feeling came back after I spoke to this guy. Now Monday came, obviously I'm super stoked, you know, I'm happy and so forth. But then I didn't get any trades yesterday. I missed my position on UJ, price ran to my TP. This morning I didn't get anything, and just obviously like I trade every day I have a setup, more or less, and just it was so different. And for the first time in a very long time I experienced FOMO, and it got the best of me, and I was taught a very valuable lesson.
No, wait, I saw something added here. That's atom sound. Okay, we don't need atom sound. There's normally one that we refresh there.
But in simple terms, if I can just say it this way, I was humbled and reminded.
Maybe? Well, that's on Discord there. Discord here. So maybe try to refresh that. You can't get his screen up like at all. Yeah.
Okay, you need to.
I'd open and close it about 4 times.
No, but if you minimize.
Yeah, the other thing is minimized, yeah.
Sorry guys, just waiting for us to sort out this thingy over here so I can share my screen.
Is the aircon on? Yeah, sorry Chad, not technical, yeah, technical difficulties.
Hey guys, it's me, Jeff.
I just thought about it now. Also, me running away. It's like, oh, no one's on here, but I'm back.
Alrighty, and also there you guys go. Jev, your screen's live, brother. I can see what you're looking at.
Okay, so looking at DXY 4 hour, as you guys can see over here, this is a zone that I was looking out for, And also the reason why I was bearish on DXY is because price has been holding this level for a long time. And also last week we spoke about this week over here. I didn't want to see them take this out, and then this R1 was supposed to be my zone because technically this is my supply. So price took that out, so that means my entire analysis now has been flipped, and now I'm looking for buys on the dollar. So waiting for this candle to close this 4 hour. Then I have a pure break of structure. Then looking at this wick down here at the weekly open, perfect alignment, and refinement on the 15-minute chart will then line us up with the zone over here. So I'm actually gonna just keep it as big like this because it is DXY and it moves a lot of pips. So what I want to see now on DXY basically is a pullback. So most likely won't get anything today, but pull back into this level at the weekly open and then continue bullish. And then basically the next zone for price before looking for a reversal would be all the way over here. So once price comes back to 105, 700-ish at the R5, it's a long way to go. Then only I will start looking for potential sells on DXY because currently there's nothing standing in the way. We have all this imbalance and it's gonna be filled. So all I want to see now basically is price. So technically also think about it this way. There is the sell side liquidity, this buy side liquidity. So that's technically price sweeping it. So once we have that close, we want to see price confirm that we are bullish and then pull back into these levels before going long. And then looking at Euro USD 4 hour as well. I had the zone marked out over here, but I initially want to sell at the monthly open, so missed that as well. But now we also have this massive wick, and this will now also basically contribute to a potential zone. So at the weekly openers here as well, and here we have a nice little supply zone. 4 hour refined to the 50-minute, and very, very similar like on DXY. I think, yeah, I'll make it extreme like that. So I want to then see USD yen move all the way up here and then basically drop towards the downside. So currently right now, guys, nothing for me on the table. Also look at GJ right now. So even GJ, I'm looking at the Asian highs over here, this demand zone, waiting for price to tap this level and then bounce. So yesterday also we didn't stream, left the office around this time, tapped my zone and unfortunately missed that. So still bullish on GJ for that, and just want to see price come back down, take out this sell side liquidity over here and then move towards the upside. Let me just double check anything else. Yeah, not even gonna look at gold. I'm traumatized.
Yeah, that was a bit of a tough one there for you, Jeff.
And the thing is, man, like I'm so there's also when I realized it was FOMO, because when I was doing the session, it's like I saw the sell coming, we were talking, the move came, then I also had a zone marked out, so I was like, okay, we're gonna probably retrace a bit from here.
Yeah.
And that was my mistake, because it's like I obviously, even you said the direction and I still went against it. If being dumb had a definition, I think today I would be the definition of dumb.
Alright guys, you can put it on my screen, yeah, we'll see. Yeah, thing is guys, I know you guys want that continuation on gold. We're already back in the 90s. My only thing is, like I was saying, I just don't know today how far we're going to extend. You already are at the S3. If you start going to the 4 hour, I mean, yeah, it is a bit of a range still. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Missed that gold trade keys and also missed my USD shorts. Probably was my day, but we'll check back tomorrow. Unfortunate, brother. But yeah, we'll just have to see what happens on the pairs here. I mean, DXY gold trying to hold that S3. So literally, guys, just a bit of a patience game now, I think. DXY, yeah. Okay. I'll be back now, Chad. I really need to just go pee.
But yeah, Chad, feel free to ask me anything about my trauma, and I will try and Yeah. Story time. Story time. I'm actually gonna upload a reel tomorrow for story time and talk about something I feel like a lot of you guys might relate to. Uncle, all good, man. Just let me know, then we can have a chat. I will just say, Uncle, when you do want to talk, probably gonna get home like at 6. So I would say anytime between 7 and 8, we can have it. We can have a chat quickly. No, definitely, Ryan. I'm gonna smash it next time. So also, okay, so interesting question. What percentage did I risk? So I don't trade funded. I have a personal account. So this week, so also remember I told you guys I like trading small accounts and flipping them. So going back to what I told you guys with this weekend, the conversation I had. So my guest asked me, Jivan, where do you see yourself 10 years from now? Do you still see yourself flipping accounts? And I said no. And he said, then why do you still do it? And I said, because I'm so traumatized from a 10K hit I took in one trade. And he said, but how are you going to overcome it if you don't make a big deposit again? So I actually was so ever since then, Saturday, Sunday, mentally prepared myself, I'm going to be making a massive deposit. So I made a deposit and didn't get anything yesterday, didn't get anything this morning. That's FOMO. So I withdrew like majority of the money. I would say I probably withdrew like 80% of the money. I left 20% in and I went full port. And obviously it's not a lot of money, but the idea like behind that's also because I knew I'm missing. It's like in the back of my mind, I knew I'm messing up. So that's why I made a withdrawal. So I just moved the rest of money back to my account now. So now I'm reminded, don't let this shit get to you.
Alright, so Jay, you just bounce back, brother. Just bounce back.
I haven't felt this bad in so long, man. Usually if it's a hit, it's like okay, it's a hit. Move on to the next one. But just for I feel like this because I knew I fucked up, man.
Yeah. No, but it also, bro, at least you can acknowledge the mistake, and you just fix it moving forward.
True. Slashy. Don't let it get to you, my man.
Just bounce back, Jiva.
Wait. So, Bobby, when did you enter? But I guess it also goes back to also why you must stay focused, because I was so distracted today, and yeah, don't let anything. You should stay focused, Chad. Focus. I think Chris says it. I said it before. When a pilot flies a plane, he doesn't sit there flying the plane and watching Netflix.
Yeah, it's nice. It's true, bro. It's true. People will laugh now, but it's true. Thing is, guys, yeah, DXY, like I said, this is a little try and break. This thing gets back above. Just gonna carry on melting. Gold. I still think gold's actually gonna break this. This isn't really a level, if you want to call it that. The pairs haven't really ever just stopped over here. You can go back and look at this. It's not an area. Gold just stops it. Like pulls the handbrake up and calls it a day. Very, very often if gold's going downtown, I mean, you can see it over here, breaks. So I don't think gold's done yet. I don't think gold's done yet. Like it just, yeah, as I say, it's not an area it puts the brakes on. So we'll just have to see what happens. I just hope none of you guys are doing anything stupid yet.
see, Bobby. I see. Oh yeah, guys, just an update. So Friday at the office we have the Trading Chronicle. In person, it is limited to 17 seats. So if you guys want to come join us at the office on Friday at 1 p.m., send an email to infope@voltmarkets.trade to book your seat. I will drop the email in the chat for you guys to drop a seat with Kate to book a seat.
That's so funny, bro. Edgar sends me now a guy making a Telegram signals group pretending to be me.
What?
Yeah, he's literally giving signals, like just pretending to be me.
I can't even imagine VIP signals by Keegan. I can't imagine how we would advertise that. Let me see.
Yeah, I'm literally. Check yeah.
Yo, yeah, some people are desperate. What I can do is Keeks, I can message him, ask him for signals, and say, nah, but before, you know, I want to see who you are. I don't trust that you really Keegan. Let me see if it's you. And then ask him if we can meet for coffee.
Yeah, I wanna meet you before I trust you with my money. Yo, these clowns. Report. Fake account.
He's thinking probably you can't send messages then, eh? You can't comment either. Ah, he's smart. Or I'll say let's spam him. So Forex Rob back in the day, I don't know if you guys know Forex Rob. He used to like go after these MLM groups who like do affiliate marketing and pyramid schemes, and like we would be in his group, and it's like probably like 1,000 people, and then you would just see a link come through from these people, and you would just say attack. So if you join that group, for instance, the other people, you just see barfing emojis, vomit, and then you just see the chat disappear. It's like, yeah, that guy was a beast. But then turns out he was also a scammer.
Hey,
So his flop was he always posted like a picture of himself, take the cool emoji, put it on his face. So he created this perception, like one trader we know, where it's like, oh, who is this? You know, who is this? Until one day, the car he was driving, someone caught the picture of the car and like, who is this guy in the car? Took a picture of him, and when they saw his face, it's like, oh, but you're also part of the pyramid schemes. And
the guy's getting caught in the crossfire.
oh yeah, and Slushy, this is water, yes.
I was in a sell on US30 all morning. I got scared and came out. Now I'm upset because it would definitely have hit my TP. You got to trust the process. Yeah. For my thing is, if I looked at it now, that is, that's just your psychology. There was no reason for you to close that trade. Yeah, no reason at all. You don't even take the EQ, daily pivot, Asia highs, nothing like that. So I mean, like, let's just say even if you took it from Asia lows, you have a stop loss 30 pips, your stop would have never been hit even close. So yeah, that's just experience. But it's alright. Let's see what happens here, guys. If I held my gold, I would have made the most in one trade than I have ever. Yeah, bro. I actually said to Jeff, so well, I was telling Chris and them, I was so confident in this move. I literally had a sell in before the news, and I just said to the guys, I was like, on my, because basically I'm buying more equipment for us, and this is like we call the equipment funds account. And I was so confident, like I was gonna full margin this account and go for it. And literally Mo is sitting here next to me, and a minute before I'm like, nah, it's not worth it. Like I do this all the time. We catch these moves. If this thing goes and I blow this account that's for our funds for stuff, it's not worth it. And I just left it. Of course, what does this thing do? Oof. And I just sat there like, yes, bro. I would have made mad amount of money today, like big money.
Wait. So say it again. So you didn't hold all the way.
No, not on that account. I was the personal, because I'm at the camera account.
Okay.
So I was gonna put that on the table for this trade, and I was like,
oh damn.
basically like, okay, hold on. I was risking. Wait, hold on. Yeah, it probably would have been around like $4,500. So it would have been like a good amount of money. But hey, it's chilled. It's part of the game, guys. Again, going to the whole thing with FOMO. If it wasn't the plan, no need to have FOMO about it. So we are chilling. What is Chris going on about? I'm just hearing this man in the background there.
Yo, you guys should have heard. Was it this morning? Yeah, this morning I just came back and when Caitlin was like, something was eaten in the office, eggs. Yeah, so like me and Mo sitting here and Chris in the kitchen. And over here it's like, oh, yeah, how'd you guys know about this life? Oh, that's. Yo, I wish you guys could witness what Chris does in the office, man. Yo.
Chris is a character.
I must say, his risk game though, oh, on point. He made a joke with Kyle saying Kyle raising up the market. You should actually write a book on how to raise up. Chris has some gems there for the guys.
Sure. If gold breaks this highs now, bro. I mean, gold's going down again. Used Hostelon, I use Keeks. Yeah, bro. The thing is, as I said, it's a small account that we've just put aside for fun. Because obviously, being traders, we always talk about it where you like, I can either just go buy the item and obviously like I spend the money, but I can take that same amount of money, put it into a trading account. I can trade it, make the money, go buy the item I want, and then put the money back in my account. And I actually technically haven't spent anything. So yeah, it's not an account for growth and capital and stuff like that. But yeah.
I must say that is a nice feeling there. For instance, knowing, okay, I could spend this money I have right now, but I could catch a trade and it pays for itself.
Yeah.
That's such a great feeling.
Nah, it is, bro.
Yo, you know what happened Saturday? So me and Michaela, we go on a date. And we order our food. Bro, don't you think like we both take like 3-4 bites of our food? And then we just get tired. And we're like, fuck, let's go home. Now mind you, we want to eat and everything.
I have to ask, did you smoke before this?
I did definitely. So she doesn't anymore because of the situation. But yeah, okay. I think I might say it. I think you guys might wonder what situation. It might sound bad, but yeah, my girlfriend's pregnant. I'm gonna be a daddy, you know. So we order the food, chilling there, and like, let's go home. I'm tired. She's also tired, and obviously it's also her hormones. So we take doggy bags and we order more food, and then we went home. Yo, bro, how like a Saturday night was. Movies and so much food. Sure.
Yeah,
Sia, Prezi, Peasy, welcome, man. You're welcome. I'm really trying to get as much not as, I wouldn't say as much because obviously I'm uploading like once a week, but I try and really when I upload something, let it be quality. I don't want to half-ass anything. Same thing I told Chrisim as well with my reels. I don't want to feel like I'm forced to make something. I want to do it because I want to do it and put effort into it, you know. So I'm really glad it helps, my man. Ruben, for streams purposes, let's just say no for the stream.
yeah, you guys.
But also, I'm not condoning that. If I can be honest, it's not recently. It's been something that's not been resonating with me. If I can be honest, especially during the week, coming from work, it's like it's just this whole day for activity, and then I do this, and it's like it just feels something wrong with my soul.
Oh, looks like dollar's gonna keep bringing the pain to gold. I don't see young dollar. Where's
Ruben, judging by your first question, it's pretty obvious. You know, I haven't eaten all day. I only had noodles this morning. This is quite a day. Yeah, CJ, thanks for that. If you do watch it, yeah, there is a weird moment in day 2, but that's because it goes back to what I asked Keegan now with the screen. So, when I was doing the alchemy on Monday, Keegs,
yeah?
I'm sitting here and we're like 15 minutes in, and the screen like goes blank, and I'm like, what? So it comes back and it goes blank, but then it got to the point where it just went black. It stopped, and it's like, what is happening now? And I'm stressing because it's so it's like the whole thing is so time based, and it's like, oh shit, I'm missing out on this. But if you guys do watch the video and you guys see that moment, please do forgive me for that. It's not my fault. Keegan can also say that we don't know why it happens. I don't know. I've checked the power cable. It's not the power cable. So yeah.
I think the big thing now is if dollar keeps on running. I definitely think it's going to, guys. It's just a matter of to where. Because I think gold's still chalked for a long time. I think definitely 1980s at least on the table for us. That's just my personal opinion now.
Yeah. Also, I have a zone there.
So yeah, for me, I think that's what I would just be watching out for. If DXY breaks this high, yeah, now. The only thing is DXY is giving confirmation. I mean, gold, you can't really take a trade there. But DXY, yeah, DXY just backing it up. So I just feel if you are in a trade or if you're in anything, then I mean, you're chilling still. Yeah, as I said, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna force anything. Obviously, we killed CPI, so I'm chilling for now. But otherwise, it's been good. I'm just basically helping you guys out if you still are looking for anything. As I said, if you want to, you obviously must just be willing for a bit of drawdown, I'd say personally. But I wouldn't enter there too extended. Your best entry was probably this S2, the break close, to holding it and holding the daily key level. So that closure would have been the best time actually to enter it. But I think we were still waiting for market shuffle. Oh, it just ended. So but I also pay attention for that then. As I said, I'm a bit switched off now. Basically my targets are smashed for the day. So personally I am just chilling a bit. Don't forget to go check Jeff Forex Alchemy. There's too much gems you can learn. Used to for years, all day, every day, and one day, but nowhere it just didn't agree with me. Bro, you actually thought my brothers now. You know what? Actually, I need to wait. I was like, I want to go like lacquer takeout tonight, but obviously Valentine's tomorrow. It's fine. Valentine's is paid for itself. So I'm gonna pull that trader move. V-Day paid for itself.
But she's not here. There's something planned for Kate.
Not a thing.
Hey,
actually, hold it, guys. To you ladies, respect for stepping up. But she even asked me to be her Valentine this year.
Oh.
Stepping up.
Oh.
She put a ring on it. But not actually idea yet. Guys, if anything, I'm over to lie to you. Probably will call the stream early tomorrow. And I think you guys can all understand as a man. I think you guys can understand.
Yeah, myself as well.
I can't be late. I obviously need to go home, get cleaned up and stuff, and then take the missus out for a dinner or something, so I don't get clapped. But
also, this will also be my first year where I'm much more financially stable. So this will also be
actually go enjoy it.
Yeah, it's actually my first year doing something for my girlfriend. I mean, on Valentine's Day.
I like my brother.
Guys, also, even though I was profitable, my responsibilities never allowed me to do certain things. The first time me and Michaela went on a date was a year after we started dating.
A year after you what?
Yeah.
Bro, how did you get away with that?
Because the first day, for instance, so me and Michaela met on Facebook.
Yeah.
During COVID, we had this group of activists, and there was this girl on there, Nasli, which is a sister. So I became friends with her. I saw she has a sister, and I'm like, oh, she has a cute sister. So I tell her that, yo, you can make me a plan now. Hey, she made a plan for me. So I had to message her myself, and then I messaged her.
Yeah.
Jamal Besam invited us to an event in his farm. He also invited her. She thought, why does he want me there? This must be a scam. So I went. I told her it's not a scam. I'm here, and then I went. So funny enough, I was in PE. I went from PE to Pretoria. From Pretoria to Laingsburg. From Laingsburg back to Pretoria. I got to Pretoria that morning. That night, I was there's a mistake. I must go back to Laingsburg. I went back to Laingsburg. So I spent 40 hours on the road within a week. And that's when I told Michaela, come through. So the first day we met, ever since then, we've been together ever since. Physically together. Staying together. The moment we met, we've never spent a moment apart from each other. The first time we actually spent time apart from each other is when I came to the office. Yeah. Nah, I salute that lady. I salute Michaela. She's very patient with me.
Alright, guys. A little bit of shout out to the strong women out there.
I just wish she would ask me to be her Valentine though.
Oh, hold on. Oof, hold on. Did he? What? Wait, what?
Wait, what? Is this your friend?
Bro. Okay, hold on. So, our boy Joash took a sell, but he won't post the sell. I mean, took a buy. He got clapped 600k. And then he tried to jump back in. And then he posts that he's only up like 100k. Bro, look at where that market is when he was in the buy though. It continued lower after that. So he lost 600k, entered trying to show, ooh, and then it clapped him again. I can tell you that clapped him again. Because where his entry is.
Nah, so going back to what you said earlier, if he sold, so there's nothing wrong with me.
Oh, bought, so like he bought gold, yeah. Bro, but I actually don't know words.
It's so funny. Before,
words.
when I told Keeks that happened, we laughed obviously, and he's like, you know, Jeff. So funny enough, guys, this happened. I bought gold instead of selling it, and that's how I got clapped. And Keegan told me, if Joash sold, then there's something wrong with me. But the fact that Keegan could call that he bought, it just shows. Your shame.
Because he's a dumbass, bro. Fuck. Yo. Bro, I promise you, hey. When I ever see that man in person, I will laugh in his face. Like, you a retard.
Nah, I would probably slap the shit out of him. Just, you know, for the people. Do you know that other guy? Louis, I think the chat might know him. Louis I don't know what's his surname. This guy is also like, you know how Josh is a pastor. There's this other guy, bro. He used to like make reels or videos to his Instagram and say, "Hey guys, last night I had a dream."
So sorry, brother. Is the aircon on in here?
I don't know. It's off.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's getting hot in here.
So yeah, there was a guy basically. He used to like say, "Oh, last night I had a dream, and Jesus showed me that you must buy Euro USD." And the funny thing is, whenever he had these premonitions, they were always wrong. This is why I always say, like, people who put so much effort into trying to prove that they're these Christian guys or these religious people, usually the ones with the biggest pretenders. He has a court case against him. Yes, I think him and his parents also involved. So that's you know, I remember, guys, I spoke to you guys about it last week. That guy who said that the money in the Louis Vuitton box is his and it wasn't his money. But then when I spoke to him about it, like, I was like, bro, like, why'd you lie to me? I honestly want to know where was your mind at. And it made me realize, I'm not saying it's regie, I'm not saying it's right, but like this guy, for instance, he even got his parents involved. They might have this idea that, oh, I'm doing something good, but because the ego still stands in their way. Now look what happened. He might have had the idea, oh, my parents, I'm helping them, but now look, now they're accomplices. Hey, people must be careful.
Right. Alrighty, Vince, my brother. I know I checked some of the messages in the project, bro. Did you pause? Or not pause? Or did you? Or did you please tell me you took this out, bro. Please tell me. the man's key with everyone else. I'm hoping you took the signal as well, brother. Clap with that signal today. Yeah, bro, the guys slaughtered those accounts.
But Bobby, what's been happening to 2 Minute Noodles? You maybe know what's been happening with 2 Minute Noodles.
Does he even have his account back yet? Or is he still cancelled?
I don't know. I just know that he lost his account.
Man's got a new account. Oh, okay.
Oh, I almost said his name, but let me not.
Yeah, is CPI news always so potent, or was that today's news special? That wasn't even potent, bro. That wasn't even potent. I mean, wait, hold on. Let's give you guys an exact thing, yeah. No, like genuine, yeah. Let's just say.
I'm just laughing with Etienne saying he's still up to his usual cuck, but now he's trying to play golf as well.
6 hours. You're looking at. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's a decent one. It's not potent. But that's purely because it was clear. It was one-way traffic. It wasn't mixed. If it's mixed, it still will do this, but it will have maybe a bit more of a volatile up, and then maybe like over here, where this is just potent. And the thing is, because it's across the board, it just continues. This is what we talk about. But yeah, not random, bro, or special really.
This is why I say, Etienne, I would like to box some of these guys. For charity, obviously.
Yeah. Yeah, posted on his account yesterday. If he trades like he swings golf clubs, he's in deep cock. Then he removed comments, but that is classic, bro. That is, oh my word, that is classic. But you know, hey, and that's my thing, hey. These guys, you'd imagine, hey, they don't have thick skin. They really don't. But they put it out there that they make it so easy. Like, so easy for you to be a target. Okay, the DXY is breaking away there now, so I think gold's going for that 1980. That thing's gonna start taking some shots again.
Slushy cakes, what you said there now, ne? Very true. Be careful of those people who preach the prosperity gospel. And what I mean by that is where they only talk about money in church, no word, no lessons, just money. Do you know what's his name? Prophet Graham. Hi, Keeks.
Nah.
Okay. I'll show you afterwards. But
Bro,
I'm sure the guys from Cape Town might know who Graham is.
Bro, I don't even focus on these idiots anymore. Like, I'm so focused on doing like my own thing and stuff like that. I really couldn't care about these guys.
Do you know what a guy does, ne? So he has a church. You know what he tells the men in the church? If your wife isn't giving you anything, ne, you must bring her panties and pray over the panty, and then you get some.
Did he actually say that?
Yeah, like literally, like it's in like, bro. I'm not talking about the video, like in church. And then
Yo.
and like he has like packages also for special holy water and man, formed a business, bro. Yes, Leah FX. That's him.
Keegs, missed that CPI on gold. My Discord is messed. Oh, unfortunate, brother. Yo, the project guys, the team smashed it, bro. The guys are either basically done with phase 1 or they passed phase 1. So yeah, the project guys, yeah, killed it with that CPR. So it's a Fabio though, bro. It's still very early. We told you guys you got 30 days. 30 days to get funded. At this rate, we're gonna have you guys done with phase 2 in like 3 weeks. So yeah, still plenty of time, brother. Guys, we gave my boy the signal, yeah. He doesn't want to take it. Him and Mo, they don't want to take it. Wait, Mo was sitting next to me. Awesome. Cheers, my brother.
Brother, that's good. Relax. Take it easy. How you feeling?
Yeah, listen, learn.
Relax these shoulders a bit. Tomorrow's another day. Market's not going anywhere.
Take
See
you.
you tomorrow, brother.
Yeah, I'm loving this, guys. Markets, as we said, this is the week markets are coming to life again. So I'm loving this. Yeah, but this gold really is just us. Keys, you called it beautifully this morning already. If anyone was listening, they would have eaten. No, thanks, brother. I really appreciate it. But yeah, we literally, myself and Chris, gave the DXY analysis and the gold analysis to the T. We're actually going to clip it. We're going to make a video of it just for the guys, the ones that haters. The move was called literally to the T. Chris and myself were actually going back on it. So yeah, just for all those haters. I'll never forget it, bro. Did you ever watch a video, the whole video, where J Money traded NFP with the guys live?
Not the whole video.
Bro, the analysis he gives for why he took that buy, I think it was.
Mm-mm.
Bro, it's the biggest dog shit. It's literally the same as that Darren video. Like, it looks like this, so clearly the market's going this way. I was like, what? Like, that's right, bro. I promise you, hey, anyone that tells me technicals is everything, show me your FX book. Show me your results. Show me you're profitable. If you tell me you don't even look at fundamentals or look at news or think of what's going on in the world, you cannot be profitable. And I'll till I'm red in the face. I will. You can't change my mind on that. So someone like that, where you want to tell me what NFP and CPI are gonna do because of technicals, you an idiot. And even the technical analysis was wrong.
Yeah.
Then I'm like, bro. Oh, dad, figure of office.
And the man's a pastor. You would think you really has God.
I didn't understand that man setup during that video, bro. Well, I actually never saw the whole video, hey? Like when it came out. I just saw the whole thing of him, like, telling the guys, okay, we entered, be ready, and then NFP is against us. And then telling the guys to hold, and that crowd looked like they were going to moor him. And then only when I saw the whole thing was I was actually watching one of Radl's videos on it. And Radl shows the whole video. And I was like, yo, the cuck this man spoke to those people. If I promise you, bro, if I was sitting there, not even the trader I am today, like when I was that guy trading purely news events, when you were giving me this analysis, I would have closed my position. Because I would have been like, what the hell is this man talking about? What cuck is this? Like, I know better than you. And especially when the trade would have gone the other way, then it's like a definite, I know better than you.
What Ed said now is very interesting. My ethics are preventing me from making millions. And I feel like it's a very, very well said, Ed. Because if you think about it, everyone looks for this easy way out. And they wouldn't want to work hard. But now let's say, for instance, you are offered something easy, but that is, but goes against your moral compass. Majority of people would like go against that, you know, and it is, ethics, bro. It just shows these guys have no morals at all. Yeah,
so just answering Chad, bro, I didn't see it, but I actually like to, because obviously, yes, he has his own broker, all this cuck, but I'd love to see his reaction, because the fact, even if you had a buy stop and a sell stop, that thing shot up first, so it would have hit his buy stop and then teleported to the downside. So even though the sell's there, the buy is clearing more pips, if that makes sense. So the buy is killing whatever those sells are even getting anyway, and the sell would have also actually been slipped. So the buy would have, no matter what broker you are, again, I don't care. If you put a buy or sell stop on CPI, you would have been probably activated literally over here somewhere. You would have been activated on the top of that wick, or even where the market hasn't even been yet. That's where you're going to get activated. And the same with the sell. Even when the sell flipped, your sell's probably only been activated from like here somewhere. So yes, I don't care what broker that is, like he got murdered in that trade. And that's why I always say to you guys, you can't do the buy sell stops, because it's all fair and well if this thing just shoots one direction. Cool, you're going to get slipped, so you just want to get the full profit of the trade, but you're going to get like you will get your profits, but you've been slipped.
Yeah,
But if you do a buy and sell, and it does what it did today, a wick up and then drop,
and also not just that, like as a trader, why would you obviously want to have a certain bias, because then technically you're gambling, because it's like you're just hoping, okay, because market does two things, up and down. So by placing a buy and sell stop, it's not like, I don't even see how you can educate someone regarding fundamentals in that sense. Is he a mentor, Raja?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So Leah FX.
Was it the live stream from today? Actually, I need to see this, guys. Sorry, I need to see it.
Leah, very interesting.
Where did they say it was? 1 minute 54.
1 minute 54, yes.
Wait. Oh, we're not it. I'm so confused there. Hey, am I right here? Why is this thing showing two? I'm so confused here, but the trade's not. Hey, am I doing something stupid here?
I can't tell. I don't see anything.
Lol,
like
if you
orders.
trade with XNS end times and nearing, what do you mean, brother? There's XNS isn't going anywhere.
There, starts to push down. Who knows, right? Who knows? So we'll have to. Is one of
Oh,
the
unless
most
you mean 1
volatile
hour
news events
54.
after,
Okay,
like,
I'm
you
with you. I'm with you.
NFP, after interest rates, it's almost at the same caliber. CPI. I remember there was this one time. You got it. 30 seconds left. My sell stop is below the candle. My buy stop is above the candle.
Yo, I need to see this.
Okay, let's go. 20 seconds left. 20 seconds left. Let me see what's gonna happen, bro. All right.
Man,
Buy
just start an
stop is above
ASMR
the candle
channel.
and sell stop is below the candle.
Today you shall learn how to trade CPI.
Okay. We have 10 seconds left.
Bro, I
5
need to see
seconds
this.
left.
So
Okay,
definitely
here we
looking where
go.
that is,
3,
it
2,
definitely
1.
activated the bar.
Oh, oh no! Oh, what the fuck? Oh no! Oh my god, man! Oh no! What the fuck?
You see that first
Holy
reaction? That was
fuck,
like,
this
he's like,
isn't
I
happening.
just hit there, and then it turned
Oh,
around. Like,
God,
oh
yeah.
shit.
That was wild. At least got 20 pips out of here. Woo. Did you see that? Now, look, let's take a look at the numbers, right? So we were.
Geeks, you have to go back. We have to see that
Bro.
again. We have to see that again.
Okay, let's go. 20 seconds left. 20 seconds left. Can we see?
That first reaction, he's thinking he just hit the
Alright.
jackpot.
Buy stop is above the candle and sell stop is below the candle. Okay. We have 10 seconds left.
Oh my word, what an idiot.
5 seconds left.
What did I say? It's going to work both ways.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, oh no! Oh, what the fuck? Oh no! Oh my god, man! Oh,
Oh my word.
what the fuck?
What's funny is,
And
man,
you know,
like,
bro, he was in so much shock. It took him a few seconds to register, like, go close the trade, you
Got
idiots.
20 pips out of here.
Oh my word.
Nee, look,
Oh.
yeah, I was having a bad day until I saw this now.
Oh.
Nah, that was nice. That was nice.
What? I withdrew on Friday to my card, and now today it is no longer available. Have to do via crypto now. Lol. Nah, bro. It's perfectly fine. Still works for me. There's nothing wrong, bro. King Shaq, XNES is the biggest broker in the world. They're not going. It's the same as FTMO. They're not going anywhere, brother. They are not going anywhere. Please make a meme. Should definitely be memed, y'all. What a fool. Reckons he caught 20 pips, but it didn't spike up that far, and he wouldn't have had chance to close. Yo, you can see he didn't close. He didn't catch shit, bro. XNS, that to me as well. My limit orders didn't hit
Someone
such
said,
a cuck broker when it wants to be. Guys, you can't trade news. It's very simple. You are the idiot if you place in that whole thing of limits. You can't. If you want to trade news, they're not going to activate it. So either they're going to slip you on activation, or they're not going to activate it because it's invalid. They can't activate it where you had it, so it's not a valid entry. They just don't activate it. So also, if a lot of you guys, because you're using a buy and a sell stop on news, I can tell you guys over leverage. A lot of the time, your account can't handle that leverage amount you put in. So again, they don't activate it. If you want to trade news, you enter beforehand, and you better have the direction right. It's as simple as that. Pre-run and after, yeah, 100%.
I can also say that with XNES. So XNES, I don't use them, but I've never had problems with them. The only problem I would say, it's that thing you said now about leverage. But I mean also, if they offer you leverage of 1 to unlimited and fast withdrawals and things like that, you can't really complain about that, because I mean, to sound bad, but I could have said a broker can do bad business if they want to do bad business.
What not?
Not me losing $300 on gold.
What did you do? $300.
No, man, you're lying, Monet.
Not my own dollars.
Oh, the funded account.
Yeah. I'm joking, but I looked at it and I'm like, fuck.
Did you take it?
What did you do, Mo?
Then but I jumped out. I jumped not $300.
Where did you take it? It's you rejected now, so where the hell did you take it from?
No.
Mo.
Don't tell. I know, Chris. No, I'm not joking. It's not $300 though. Yeah, but it's quite a number of dollars. I'm not happy.
How many numbers? How many dollars?
More than one, less than 200.
Oh, whoa. To be fair, it's gonna carry on down there.
You think so?
You just closed
Would you advise I take something without machine gunning?
Like, no reason. I'm just saying you closed early because you panicked. You're breaking back up just to make order flow structure. For that closes like that, the next candle will break like that. Again, if you look at DXY is gonna test now and hold the R3. Because that was your break, failed to hold, broke back above, so it failed to also break under. Now you're gonna probably hold it, and you'll trade back up again, and that would mean dollar gold carries down.
Like a way better trader if I looked at the DXY.
Yeah, so
once in a fucking while.
like you'll see this a lot of the time. Gold does that. You'll see it's just like one candle that will go bullish again. Like for example, like there, bear, and then just carry on bullish. Same thing,
my lot size was
bullish, coming back up, bearish again. Yeah, I think it was too big because you obviously freaked out with it.
Yeah, like if I entered with a normal lot size, I would have sat through.
Yeah. It can return, but for example, there's no reason for it to turn there. Also, that's the thing. It's not on a support area. It's not on anything.
Yeah, it's just in the middle of.
So it's most likely just turning. It's just pushing back and then coming down to break this.
Okay, advice. Take my alpha the day.
Take it. I would don't enter now. But the move, you've missed the move. Mo train with emotions, yeah, guys. King Shaq, besides Binance and Luno, what other wallet would you guys recommend for withdrawal to bank account? I use Luno, so yeah.
Yeah, Luno. I feel like you can't go wrong with Luno.
US study doing. Jeff can tell you guys what US study is doing. But yeah, as I said, King Shack, nothing's gonna happen to them, bro. It's maybe it can. Remember, they actually do quite a bit of maintenance. I'm just check my email. Maybe I've even got an email about maintenance, but just check that out. But as I said, yeah, they are like the biggest in the world, so they're not going anywhere, guys. But other than that, guys, I mean, it's 25 past. I'm not going to take a trade now. I got my CPI trade, all that. I'm not going to do anything stupid. Jeff, anything from you, brother?
No, I wanted to force something for the guys, but no.
No, don't force
I'm
anything.
joking. I would never force, guys. I know someone asked me about USDT. Looking at it, looks like buys might come in, but a zone per se, I feel like we're at the S1, but I feel like we might drop slightly below it and then potentially only rise. But I don't specialize in this, so don't listen to me. But yeah, I think we can call the stream. Yeah, so something big happened today for us. So yeah, I want to get home, see the wifey.
Yeah. I think I have over withdrawn from Exodus. They're tired of me now. Yeah, maybe that's it, my brother. But otherwise,
I'm actually so bleak. So, right at the end of the day, why is that work?
it's late, dude. It's honestly, it's FOMO. You just want to move, everyone caught stuff on it. It's FOMO.
You know what it is?
Because there's no other
It looked
reason to take that
easy.
trade.
I'm having one of those moments of like, of course, when I enter.
Yeah,
You get what I'm saying? Like,
yeah.
look at count the candles. Of course, when Mo's in, fuck this guy in the butt. Anyway, let me grab that one time.
All right, but yeah, guys, I think we're gonna call it there. Again, Slushy, all the guys, King Shack, all our OGs, Vince, all the guys, yeah, Eddie. Big up to you guys. Big up to the group that guys did it. Thanks for always rocking up. Really appreciate every single one of you guys. Love being with you guys every day. Tomorrow's another day, guys. Remember, this whole week we've got news, so we're gonna have volume again tomorrow, baby. So this is just kick starting it. Call the day. Have another one. Go chill out now. It is literally Tuesday only, guys. So we still got plenty of time. But other than that, chill out, enjoy it, and we'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, opening bar with myself and Chris, and New York session with myself and JB Boy over here.
Awesome.
But other than that, it's been us, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace and love, baby.
Love you, Chad.
Thought you'd call, but you didn't, so I'm sitting here. Thought I heard my phone ring, but it disappeared. Guess I'm just losing my mind again. I tell myself to breathe in, but the darkness hung its teeth in, and its mind has got me thinking. Sick and tired of feeling, so sick and tired of dreaming. 'Cause I always wake up 'cause it always comes back again. And I'm not even gonna pretend that it's okay. Constantly putting bad thoughts on replay. I really don't like living life this way, but I know that these things will never change. Tell myself to breathe.